There's the pressure plate. There's the pressure plate. And well, that doesn't look too bad. Huh. That's the clutch disc. I think they've been into this. Previous owner must have did a job on it. One of the reasons why I'm saying that is on the flywheel, here's your flywheel bolts, and what they usually put on these bolts are lock plates that go on 2, 2, and 2. There's 6 in here, and that's OEM. So this doesn't have lock plates on it, so it tells me that somebody's been in here before. Maybe the pilot bearing went or something. They had to get in there. All right, anyway, we got that. Next step is the flywheel.